Hey folks, Tracy here. Quick video of my chin-up progress. As of the beginning of December 2024, I was only able to do 4 chin-ups consecutively. And since then, the last few weeks of December, I hit 5 and stayed there until the beginning of this year, 2025, in January. So this was from 2 weeks ago, and then I'll show a comparison of training from today, actually, which is the 13th, and the previous week, side by side, where I did manage to get to 6 consecutive chin-ups. Hoping I'll get to 10 perhaps by my birthday at the end of March. Currently 61, I will be 62. So, even though I've gotten more in the past, I'm happy to be building strength from where I'm at right now. So, comparing the two, it's pretty similar. I'd say maybe I had a slightly cleaner finish in the today's, which is on the right. A little less contorting of my lower body to try to get up and finagle up the chin-up bar. Another thing that I have yet to film is that for the first time ever, I am doing a pull-up. I did 1 pull-up, and then just the next day or two, I got to 2. So I'll have to film that landmark for me. Okay, so here, difference is that Don put me on a lighter band. So it cut my ability to do reps in half, which is fine. So I'll build up from there. And I did not film the rows, which we do all the time after in this sequence. They don't always get filmed. And I'm doing about still maybe 11 push-ups. So how many push-ups I get, it depends on what I've done first. What I want to also say is that this is a kind of high intensity training. We do 2 full body training sessions a day, and each day of the week. This is our Monday routine, and then our Thursday routine is a little different, but it is high intensity. So I'm doing all this stuff consecutively. If not, I'm sure I'd be able to get more, but I just wanted more reps. Just wanted to let you know that. And then with each training session, we like to include some mobility, which if you've been following me for a while, you know that's the case. But anyway, prior to the mobility, the last big hurrah, the horse stance, I'm up 5 seconds from the previous week, up to over a minute, 75 seconds. That's awesome. And it's a challenge. I am glad I wasn't looking at the timer. I was thinking that I was going to be not even barely making it to a minute, and when I said, oh my gosh, I don't think I can do more, Don let me know there was only 4 seconds left, so okay, I can hang in there for that. So I got to 115, he's up to 120.
115.
And anyway, so German hangs, this was my second set of just holding myself up for 15 seconds. And this is great for stretching out the shoulders and the upper back. And of course, you could keep your feet on the ground. You don't have to lift them. And then I did the hanging cobra. And then after that, I like to keep my back mobility. I think it's very important to keep a flexible spine. I have Raynaud's pretty bad. A friend of mine who's maybe watching was reminding me of some exercises and things to do to help with circulation, and sometimes the Raynaud's can be from a nerve being pinched. Anyway, so now I'm going to just briefly show some food, and if you haven't been checking out my blog, I have a new post up, a day of eating meals, very simple macrobiotic meals. I think it's a great article. You might want to check it out at vegangreatlife.blogspot.com. So here's all of our food Don and I plated. That's a purple and brown sweet grain rice cooked together. And I just want to say that, you know, I do rely on some easy convenience foods like the Trader Joe's packaged tofu. We like to have our porridge, sometimes with cooked fruit in the morning, and that fruit was pear, local pear and golden raisins, which is awesome, and then goji berries. I'm not making any effort to make sure I get a ton of protein. I just eat a kind of macrobiotic style diet, and you can learn more on my website and my blog. So I thought that would be all I would show for now. Hope you like this video. Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Oh, almost forgot. I finally got some hard copies to my new book, The Macrobiotic Action Plan, Your Map to Greater Health and Happiness. Stay tuned for a video to come where I will share some details of the book.